Hello everyone! Today we're gonna show you how to make these beautiful spring flowers. And you have to subscribe, because from now on we're gonna start uploading more videos again. And at the end of the video I'm gonna show you a math game that you can do with children. Today we make paper flowers with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. I'm gonna leave the list of the materials that I'm gonna use in the description box below. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is take a cupcake paper and we're gonna fold it 3 times. And now with the scissors we're gonna cut it so it looks like petals. Like that. And when you open it, you have a flower. So we're gonna do this 3 times. That way our flower is gonna look fuller. And each time we do it, we're gonna cut it a little more. That way they have different sizes. Now we're gonna put a cloth on the table so we don't put marker all over it. And we're going to paint the flowers like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. You'll see why in a minute. You can use different tones of the same color so it looks more beautiful. And now comes the fun part. We're gonna use a spray bottle and we're gonna spray water all over the flowers. This activity is great for kids because you can explain how we take care of plants and how they need water to live. And by the way, if you want to work on the seeds plants theme, you have this episode right here that you can watch about Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon teaching us how we make plants grow. And when they dry, we're gonna do this. We're gonna fold them again and we're gonna make sure that we can see where we fold them. And we're gonna do this on the 3 parts. Now with a green pipe cleaner, we're gonna put it through. And we're gonna leave a free area. And with it, we're gonna turn it like this. Now we make it flat, and we put the petals up. Super easy, right? And now we're gonna make the little leaves on the stem. Like this. It was so easy, so you can make as many as you want. And they're not only easy to make, they're also super useful. You can use them to decorate or to make math games where the children have to associate the number to the quantity. They can sort them by color and so many other things. And by the way, on our Instagram, I put these numbers and I showed you some activities that you could do with them. And I also just put a video of how I made them, just in case you're interested. I hope you like this video, it was so much fun to make it, and I really hope you can do them. Okay, we'll see you next week, bye!